Today is Sunday and we're waiting for the sun. It's been days since the sun visited the aviary. So if I haven't posted much video this past days, it's because we're so busy with Michael. We always go to Manila. So here it is. So today is Sunday and I just finished feeding the San Conures, the flight. Next stop, the big birds. It's been raining every day, morning, afternoon, evening. So this is the result. Green garden. So much green. So nice. So I have to trim some of the greens here so you can still sit on the bench, the aviary bench. And also I have to trim the malunggay since I cannot see the birds anymore. And the Brazilian cherry or alatris is still there. I will not trim it yet because the birds are, relaxed when they are there. And if you will see in the video, I have greens inside the cage or the enclosure. So this week we will talk about what we do here at the aviary when it's like this. It's been raining every day. So we'll focus on the topic of rainy days here at Michael's Aviary. Since we're from the Philippines, it will be like this for up to December. So we only have two seasons, summer and the rainy season. And today, this season is the wet season, wet and dry season. But you see the sun occasionally, once in a while. But see, sun and it's still raining. That is the condition here, which is very good to the birds if the birds are in good condition. Usually breeding starts now. Ouch! Ants. I have lots of ants. Wait, I'll show you. This is one nesting. So nice, the size. There's the size of a Moluccan. I wonder when our Moluccan will arrive. So I have to, ouch, ants. I have to work now. And I'll try to post more videos later. So, happy morning everyone. Have a blessed Sunday. Good morning.